Hello guys, it's Nick from Tech of the Blind. I'm here this morning, a day after another Panthers game at the BB&T Center. We won 6-1 against the Ottawa Senators, and Nola Chari scored a hat trick. And if you're not familiar with what a hat trick is, it's when the same player scores 3 goals in a game. Barkov got a goal. He's a top player. Matherson, who's a weak player, even got a goal himself. I can't remember who got the other goal. But yeah, 6-1. And now here's some footage of the hockey game through my eSight 3. Ah!
Look at the I see that. Right? Right in front of the guy, he spears him, and it's like, okay, I didn't see that.
Yeah, look at it like through here. Oh, look. Yeah, you pass it to Lynette and them. Pass it to Lynette and them. Back behind us.
That's how he's seeing it. Live.
That's amazing. Wow. I can't believe that.
Better than I see it.
Yeah, I know. Better than I see it most of the time, yeah. That's amazing.
Wow, that is amazing.
I hope you guys enjoyed that video. And once again, sorry for my voice being a little messed up today. But I want to get this video out before I forgot any of the goals, or most of the goals at least. So, here you go. Enjoy.